Ni hao Disney fans, welcome to my channel. I'm going to be showing you another drink recipe from Disney World. And as you can tell from the background music and my t-shirt of Mulan, this is going to be a drink from Epcot, China, and the drink is called Byjoe. And it's one of those specialty drinks from the Food and Wine Festival. So let's get started. So first we're going to start off with 1 ounce of Byjoe spirit, 1 ounce pineapple juice, 1 ounce of coconut juice, and then 3 ounces of lychee juice, which is my favorite fruit in the world. And you want to shake it up, and then it's ready to serve. It's good. So this is your Byjoe drink. If you ever drink around the world in Epcot again, stop by China and get one of these. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more recipes and other Disney merchandise vlogs later on. See ya!